How to delete a collection on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage, from where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Then, from this page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on this icon and then go to Collections. Now tap on any of the collection. And once you're in this page, tap on the Share button over here. Now, tap on Delete Collection from the menu. Tap on Delete from the pop-up as well. As you can see, the collection has been removed. You can also add a collection from here as well. So, by following these steps, you can easily delete a collection on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.